Hey y'all, what's up? This is your girl, seeing and all knowing. Y'all come on in, come on in. If you see the live, I'm live. If you don't see the red LIVE, that means I've uploaded it or I'm off live. Y'all please hit the subscription at the bottom. That helps your girl and also thumbs the video up. I want to talk about when is it good to go to therapy? When is counseling a good thing? What are some of the steps that we need to do in order to get the help we need if we feel like we need help? Some people doesn't feel like they need help. Some people think that therapy is a bad word. They don't want to say therapy, use therapy, or anything. But what is wrong with therapy? Therapy gives you an unbiased person to talk to, a person that you do not know, a person that has to keep confidentiality unless you're talking about harming yourself or someone else, or you have to harm someone else. Other than that, if it's things about you and the things that you've went through, as long as, depending upon what it is and you're not a child, therapy is good. Counselors and therapists. Counselor and therapist, what are the difference, Doc? They're pretty much the same. A counselor and a therapist is pretty much the same. And they are non-biased. And they do not supposed to bring their issues into the therapy session. And vice versa. Don't use transference on the therapist, where you start looking at the therapist as you look at that person. There's a lot of people who need therapy. And if they do go and get therapy, it will help them. It's not a bad word. It's not taboo. And sometimes in African American communities, some people think it is. But it's a safe haven. It's a place where you can go, air out your feelings, find great coping mechanisms, and how you can go on and live a fulfilling life. So those of you who have asked about therapy, if you need therapy, seek therapy. If you need it once a week, see what your insurance provider or what you can provide and pay, or contact the community healthcare center. They help. But therapy is nothing to be ashamed of. It's nothing to shy away from. And the thing about it is, you have to be honest with the therapist so you can be honest with yourself. See, therapists, people love to say, they're going to tell me this, they're going to tell me that. No, we listen. That's why I'm such a great therapist. Yeah, that's why I'm such a great therapist, because I can listen and don't say anything. Of course, I can write, and I do, but I don't have to say anything. I just want people to be comfortable with seeking therapy if that's what's needed. A lot of things happen in your past or even your childhood that may need to be brought out, that you may need to deal with it. And a therapist can help you. Yes, there is even vocational therapists. What are you talking about, Doc? People who help you get a job if you feel like you can't get a job. Spruce up your resume, get you back into school. It's a lot of things that counselors and therapists do. It is. The only thing you got to do, if you're saying, Doc, I can't afford it, then go to the community mental health care center. Some people say call 211 in your area and find out where one is at. Go Google search of your city. You'll be surprised at what you find. But for God's sakes, do something. We cannot sit back and do nothing. Our life depends on it. Y'all, thank you for giving me this time. I really want to just come on and tell you that about the therapy sessions. Because a lot of people are saying that, they want to go, but if it's this, it's that. Go in, do an intake, and see how it is for yourself. And you may find that you need it and you like it. Y'all, this is Dr. Lisa. Just coming back with another video of encouragement that a lot of people now are seeking and they need it. Remember, nothing just happens. And sometimes your answer is just a phone call away. Y'all, this is your girl, Seeing It All Knowing on YouTube and The Knowing on Facebook. You see that red forerunner, you know it's the doc, okay? Come and see me because I'll see y'all on the next video. Happy Friday, you all.